This is the box where the SEICANE unit is. You can find SEICANE Android and Apple CarPlay unit like this in the video description below. Here is the SEICANE Wireless CarPlay with dash cam that support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So, we have a 10.26-inch display that it looks like a mini LED TV. On the back has a camera that you can adjust it. It can use on all different cars, like small cars, campers, RVs, trucks, and vans. There is a turn on and off button. If you remove that red sticker, you can stick the unit on the car dashboard. There is a possibility to install it on the dashboard using 4 bolts, but I think it's enough if you just stick it. This portable CarPlay touchscreen for car with dash cam is easy to use, and you don't need to disassemble the car. Just install it on the dashboard and keep your car original. On the back, you can connect an auxiliary cable, an SD card, the 12-volt power cable, and a rear view camera, which you can find it in the package. Here we have the auxiliary cable, that you can connect it to radio CD. Here is the 12-volt power cable, which can be inserted in the front outlet or socket of the car. There is an USB slot attached to the power cable, which you can use it for your preferred music. And also a GPS cable, which you can buy the GPS antenna separately. In the next plastic bag, it is a rear view camera that you can install it on the back of the car. You can find also 2 bolts and a sticker for installation of the back view camera. Here is the user manual where you can find the instructions for the installation. We have installed this 10 inches SEICANE display on a 2008 Ford Focus, and it fits very well on the dashboard. Now we connect the power cable to the display and then on the 12-volt front socket. Then we turn the ignition on. This is the main menu. It's pretty simple. Here we have the recorder where you can see what the front camera is recording. Here we can connect the smartphone through Bluetooth to the SEICANE unit. If we go to settings, We can see the CarPlay position where you can split the screen in two, but you can choose on which side the CarPlay to be, on the left or on the right side of the screen. The next one is front camera resolution, from where you can choose to be 4K, 2K or less. Loop recording, which automatically replaces old videos with the newest ones when the memory card is full. You can choose the length of the video to be 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. The G-sensor immediately saves the video and locks it, so that it can't be deleted if the car is involved in a car accident. From here you can choose the language that you want. It has the time settings and date format. Here you have the possibility to format the SD card. So, let's connect the smartphone to the SEICANE unit. First, we just have to turn the Bluetooth on and then select the device which is below on the other devices, TF790BT. Then, you just need to get into your car and your smartphone will automatically connect to the Apple CarPlay. With wireless Drive Play screen, you can access your smartphone's apps, maps, music, videos, and other features. Apple CarPlay with Dash Cam allows you to take calls while driving without having to hold your smartphone all the time. Here is the CarPlay where you can use many installed apps from your iPhone. You can find SEICANE Android and Apple CarPlay unit like this in the video description below. You can select the Music app. So, I told you earlier that if we go to Settings, you can choose on which side the CarPlay to be, on the left or on the right side. Now we connect the back view camera to see how it's working. You can connect the auxiliary cable from the SEICANE unit to the radio CD of the car. Using dual Bluetooth function, connecting your phone's Bluetooth to both the CarPlay screen and your car's speaker to transfer the audio. In addition, FM wireless transmission audio and auxiliary output audio are also supported. You can see that the image from the front camera is very clear. You can see the side sign or the ones from the road. Also has a clear image in places with low light like road tunnels or night. Also, the image stabilization is good. You can find SEICANE Android and Apple CarPlay unit like this in the video description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.